Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce rental agreement issues with Rentec Direct, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of a clear rental agreement. A well-drafted agreement sets expectations for both tenants and landlords. Choose a template that suits your rental property needs from Rentec Direct. Customize the template to include specific terms and conditions relevant to your property. Ensure that the agreement complies with local laws and regulations. Incorporate key clauses such as rent amount, payment deadlines, and security deposit details. Clarify maintenance responsibilities and procedures for reporting repairs. Outline the consequences of late payments and other breaches of the agreement. Use clear and straightforward language to avoid misunderstandings. Include provisions for renewing or terminating the lease at its end. Once the agreement is drafted, review it for accuracy and completeness. Consider involving a legal professional for a final review. Share the agreement with your tenant ahead of time for their review and feedback. Be open to discussion and negotiation on certain terms if necessary. Once both parties agree, arrange for signatures to make it official. Provide a copy of the signed agreement to your tenant for their records. Store a digital copy of the signed agreement securely on Rentec Direct. Ensure proper communication channels are established for ongoing discussions. Regularly remind tenants of their obligations to maintain compliance. Use Rentec Direct's tools to automate reminders for rent due dates and lease renewals. Conduct routine property inspections to ensure compliance with the agreement. Address any issues promptly to prevent escalation. In case of disputes, refer to the agreement for resolution. Consider incorporating an escalation clause for dispute resolution processes. Keep lines of communication open with your tenants to minimize misunderstandings. Stay informed about changes in landlord-tenant laws that may affect your agreements. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce rental agreement issues with Rentec Direct. Establishing a solid foundation leads to smoother landlord-tenant relationships. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.